ahead and pick up off exponential functions. Today's lesson.
I thought we were going to do a game today.
We're not ready for a game, but you're right. I am ready for you guys tomorrow. But you weren't ready. Look, it's 10 minutes in and you barely have your stuff out. So can you come earlier tomorrow, please? Thank you. All right. Today, section 5.3, transformations. You guys, snack is to be eaten at snack. It's okay, puppy. Jason, move your legs, face me. Be ready to work. Isaiah, where are you going? Have a seat. You should have had that way before, babe.
I thought it was in my pocket.
All right, tonight's homework is chapter 5, page 13. We're gonna do number 76 through 87. There's a word in here that I think you might recognize. Jose, I'm waiting for you to write this down, please. Nathan, write this down, please. I am sure you have heard of one of my favorite movies of all time that has this word in it. Transformers, absolutely. So to transform, you have seen this word before. Thank you. Jacob, have a seat. Hurry up and have a seat. Thank you, babe. So one of my favorite Transformers, probably Bumblebee for sure. Optimus Prime is awesome too. The reason why they're called Transformers is because they change from cars to a robot. Okay, Micaiah, I need you to walk around because there's people who are going to need your help in a second. So because they actually change into something. So if you see Bumblebee as a car, does he look the exact same as when he's a robot?
No. Yeah. No.
I mean, that's why it's called a transform. He's transforming into something else. Everybody with me? All right, now this is where you guys need two colors. So you guys need to share. Make sure you have your colors in the middle. Let's say that we have this line as the original car. We'll call him the car for Bumblebee. Let's say this is the car. Take another color and let's say that he's transformed to this line. So we'll call the second line the robot. Is the orange line exactly the same as the green, yes or no?
No.
No way. It moved. So we call that a transformation. Okay? But you don't have to look in the entire thing. What you're going to do is you're just going to pick one point and then you're going to tell me how it moved. So this point right here has a coordinate. Emilio Guerrero, can you tell me what the coordinate of this point is? -1, 1. Keep trying. 0. Very good, babe. 0, 1. So the car, Bumblebee, the car, Jeremiah, whatever's distracting you, put it away. The Bumblebee car, this is where he's located. This is his action, if you will. So last period, a lot of people put 1, 0 here. Can you make sure they have 0, 1? Now, when he's a robot, he's way up here. Corinne, what's the new coordinate for the robot now?
0, 4.
Good. Look how she got that, you guys. Ready? She counted 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what my rookies did last year? Watch. Don't do this. Ready? Isaiah, face me, please. Face me. Face me. You know what they did last year? Ready? Amelia, look. This is what they did. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Is that right?
But they did what?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right?
No.
No. This is 0.
Yeah.
Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody with me? So like Corinne said, this coordinate is 0, 4. Now how would you describe what happened between the car and the robot? Would you use the word up and down, left and right? Which way did the line move, Nathan? It moved up. Very good. Is that vertical or horizontal? It's a vertical movement. Nicely done. So in English language, if you were to describe what happened, you would say it went up how many units?
4.
It went up. Very good. It landed on 4, but I went up 3 units. Please write that down. I want Makai to make sure that you're writing this down. Up 3 units. Now I need you to put your thinking caps on. What do you notice between these letters? Jose, remind me, what letters are these again? Very good. X and then Y, right? X and then Y. Jeremiah, are you with me? X and then Y. What do you notice about the X's? Don't yell it out. Jacob? They both 0. Did the X's change?
No.
Did the X's change?
No.
No. The X's did not change. Don't yell it out. What do you notice about your Y's? Jameson? It did change. Everybody with me? All right, so if I want to tell people mathematically what happened, you're not going to say up 3 units. We're going to use what's called coordinate notation, and this is what's going to be on tonight's homework. So please write this down. This is called coordinate notation. I am not going to stop every 10 seconds. I'm not. Coordinate notation means you tell people, look, Bumblebee started at XY, and then we got to tell them where she landed, or he landed. Bumblebee's a he, right?
Yes, no.
It's a girl?
No, he's a he.
It's a
You could just make a voice up.
Let's tell people where Bumblebee landed. Did the X value change? Did the X value change from Bumblebee? No, so X stayed the same, but Y did change. How much did Y change by?
By 3.
Did you go up 3 or down 3?
Down 3.
You went up 3. Now tell me in math language, what does up 3 mean? How do you say the word up in math language? Plus, very good. Plus 3. So it is a vertical movement. Good job, Jason. And when we move vertically, we add to the Y value. Now tonight's homework, I'm going to be expected to put my answers in coordinate notation. How come I didn't put plus 3 with the X? Kiara? How come I didn't put X plus 3? The X didn't change, right? Bumblebee, X, X didn't change, but the Y did change. Everybody with me? All right, grab another color from somebody in your group. And let's say Bumblebee now moved down here. Again, you just pick one point. Camden, can you help me identify what this point is right here?
0.
Very good. 0, comma, -2. So I want to describe what the movement would be in red. Annette, did my X values change? No. So what am I going to write for my X value? Yep, just X. Good job. Nathan, did my Y values change from Bumblebee to red? My Y values did not change? They did change. By how much did they change? Did I go up 3 units or down? Very good. How do I put that in math language? How do I tell somebody down 3 units? Beautiful. Good job. Now, in speaking to some of your teachers from last year, this graphing and notation and stuff, you guys hated it. Hopefully, it's not so bad anymore. What do you guys think? So far, so good?
Still hate it. No.
Still hate it? So far, so good, Jason?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's do an example together. See how we feel. Whoever didn't do that inside of the board, please. Whoever did not do it. Who? Isaiah? Lovely. All right. Let's see now. You guys think tonight's homework's gonna say bumblebee, car, robot?
No.
No. Let me give you what you're gonna see on tonight's homework. Are you with me, Jose? Yeah? All right, let's say this is the original function. You guys, don't let me lose you. Alana, move your chair back. The original function, we call it f of x. Makayo, can you consolidate all the food together so you can kill the boxes? I want all the food on the counter and then kill the boxes for me, please. Ah, yeah, please. Let's say that the function has now transformed here. Do I have to describe all of the points? No, just pick one. What do you guys think is the smartest point to pick here? Let's try with the green one. Steven, what do you think? Yeah, this is called the vertex, the very bottom. Riad, they need to have 2 different colors. If they don't, go get some color for me. They're not following directions. Isaiah, you missed the last part of the last one. You need to ask somebody which you missed. See the orange? Why do you have the blank? Ask somebody what it is. Nope. Ask somebody what it's supposed to be. Hannah, can you please tell me what this point is? 0. I'm sure you're right. I just didn't hear you. Yep, 0, 2. And this right here, Jacob, is?
0, comma -4.
Ready? Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4. I said 0, comma -4.
So count with me, sassy.
I know, I'm saying because you asked me what the point was. I said 0, -4.
And I said count with me. Ready?
Oh, -1, -2, -3, -5.
I want to know this point right here, Papa.
-4.
Okay, ready? Count with me again. We're gonna learn today. Ready?
0, -1, 0, -2.
Which one is it?
You skipped it. It's supposed to be 0, -4.
Oh, okay. So what should I write? Ready?
I mean 0, comma -4.
Ready?
0, comma 1.
Hold on.
0, comma
0, 0.
0. 0, 0, 1. 0,
Zero.
-1. 0, -1. 0, -2. -3.
Oh man, I hate when Miss Riad's right. All right, 0, -3. Good. Savannah, did my graph transform up, down, left, or right? Down. Very good. F of x is the original. We're going to call g of x the transformation. Which letter comes first in the alphabet, F or G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so F is always the original. G is where it moved to. JJ, don't let me lose you. So I want to know the transformation from F to G. Real simple. I just need to know what happened. Jose, did my x's change?
No.
All right, so the original is going to be xy.
Hey.
Now we want to talk about what happened in the transformation. Annette, did the x's change? No, so what do I write for the x?
He's right.
Just x. Dillinger, did my y's change?
Yes.
By how much?
Wait,
From here to here.
five.
Up or down?
Down.
So how do you tell people when down 5?
Y -5.
You're the man. Good job. And this is what you guys are going to do on tonight's homework. You are going to give me the coordinate notation.
Ooh, that's easy.
Thanks, babe. Let's try another one. Example 2. Makayo, they need 2 different colors, please. Make sure they're doing them in 2 colors. Hmm?
How was your day?
Good. How about you? I love you too, Jason.
My bad.
I stepped in a puddle, so my shoes are wet, which is why I'm barefoot.
I fell in a puddle of shoes.
It's fun to fall in puddles.
Fun puddle of love.
Aww.
I could have swam in it too late in a puddle.
Ooh, that's interesting. That's one way to live your life.
All right.
Living her life. All right, here we go. Let's call this f of x, and this is g of x. JJ, what's my original function? Which one is my original function? What do we call it? F of x. Very good. Lana, who didn't do her homework, who I'm going to have a very stern discussion with. What is my ending function? G of x. Very good. Seha, did my function transform up, down, left, or right? Okay, so this function went to the right?
Always on the
It went down. Very good. All right, let's pick a point. Camden, pick a point on my original function.
0, 1.
I love it. He's going to pick 0, 1. God bless you. Benjamin, where does 0, 1 land when you shift it down? He lands here. So if you shift him down, this guy lands here. Where does he land? Nicely done. He lands right here. 0, comma, -3. Do you see that, Jaden? You don't land right here. He lands right here. Steven, did my x's change? Okay, so my original is xy. And now I gotta tell people that something changed. Jose, what changed? My x's or my y's? Okay, so how do I tell people the x's did not change? What do I put right here? X. Dillinger, how do I tell people my y's changed? Oh my god, this is genius right here. Good job.
I'm a genius.
Y minus 4. Huh, baby? Alright, here's your doyo. Here come the boys if you need help. Guys, I don't want to hear wrapping paper and I don't want to hear candy. Focus right now. But I don't want to hear it. Talk back to me again. See what happens. Thank you. All right.
Is that 3?
Oh, okay.
Here come the boys if you need help. Do it. Hi, when you're done with this doyo, can you please take both of me? Check your answers with each other.
So X moves. So this
It's not a negative, it's plus.
If you're adding it, then you're plus.
Why isn't it just like nothing?
Because it moved. If it didn't move, then it's nothing. It definitely moved. Jeremiah, what'd you guys get? You got, oh my God, that's amazing. God is good, huh?
all the time.
Sure. Here comes Sakaya to help you out if you need it. Kiara, help your group out, babe. Let me give you guys another 10 seconds to check with your group. Everybody should have the same answer.
What'd you get?
Yeah, I'm not letting you leave unless those
Well,
are
I've
I said it about 15 times.
Oh yeah. I just didn't reach it. Keep it there.
Say please. He
Yeah.
needs colors.
Thank you.
Nathan, check with your group, babe.
Yeah, I got X plus 2 on the line.
Jeremiah, what'd you get, babe? Jose, can you walk me through it until Jeremiah's done? What is this point right here? 0. Huh? Yeah. Jason, what's this point right here?
3.
I need a coordinate, puppy.
3, 0.
3, 0. Seha, what changed, my X's or my Y's? The X's, how much? Up or down? Plus 3 or minus 3? Okay, JJ, what's my final answer? Nicely done. Raise your hand if that's what you got. Beautiful. All right, tonight's homework is even easier than this. There's no graphs. Okay? Why did I tell you? Because I bet you 99% of us in here are visual learners. Okay, if I would have went straight to the equation, it doesn't make sense. So we are gonna go, now that we understand what it looks visually, the equation's cake. Huh? Alright. So what we're gonna do is jump into tonight's homework. Let's do number 76 together. It looks like a lot, but watch how fast it is. The boys are gonna help you with this. I'm gonna do one of each kind, and then I'm gonna have the boys walk around and help you. Hey guys, commenting on everything is getting annoying. Like, you're annoying your people, so just choose. Funny people know when to say funny stuff. You know what I mean? Just the toilet paper. So f of x is equal to x, and then g of x is equal to x plus 4. Tonight's homework, all you got to do is focus on this x plus 4, and it's going to tell you to describe, no graphs, you're just going to describe the transformation. So the answer to number 76, g of x is equal to the function, the original function, plus 4. I'm going to give you guys some time afterwards. You're going to be able to figure out that all we have to do is take that plus 4 and add it to the function, and that's where it moved up and down. If you're not sure, don't worry. I promise you after you do 77, 78, you'll be like, that's it. Literally, that's it. This is it. Lift, this is it. Okay?
Wow.
Now, skip some space and go to number 82. I'm going to show you how to do number 82. Don't worry, the boys are going to come around and help you. Okay? Number 82 says f of x is equal to x, and g of x is equal to x plus 8. And the directions say to write it in coordinate notation, which you already know what that means. That means you're going to tell me the original function and how it moved. What does plus 8 going to make you do? Up, down, left, right. Which one?
Up.
Up. Very good. Which letter moves up and down? X or Y? Careful. Look at our doyo. Look at our example. If I moved up and down, 82. If I move up and down, does that change my X or my Y?
Y.
Y. So my answer is going to be X, comma, Y plus 8. I'm going to leave this up here so that the boys can help you. But before you go, I need you to write me a summary. Today I learned.